Welcome friends. Uh, to, Today we will study about rural administration. It is another chapter of class 6 NCERT. In India, we have almost 6,49,481 villages as per 2011 census. And the rural administration does various tasks. This includes the water needs, electricity, road connections, and various types of social programs are being implemented with the help of rural administration. Rural administration has two segments in general. One segment is police and another segment is land. So if you go through the book, in book there is a story about a person having some land and another person has usurped his land with the help of goons, and he goes to the police station, and the SHO is not registering his FIR, and they talk about that uh, whether the incident happened or not happened, and some person witnessed there and said that yes, it happened. So all those stories, but to cut the long story short, we are talking about the police administration. The police administration starts from a police chowki. It is a or beat where some beat constables reside, and they report the incident to police station, or at village level there is a chowkidar, and senior of chowkidar is dafedar, and the dafedar reports to the police station. So if any incident takes place in the village, these guys report the incident to police station, or if police station receives some information through FIR or through media or anything, they send their representative or they send these chowkidar, dafedar, beat constables to inquire about the incident. In the upper hierarchy, there is office of inspector, there is office of deputy superintendent of police, and at the district level there is a office of superintendent of police, who is head of the police administration in the district. So it is our police part. Other than the police part, there is a land administration part. Like uh, in the beginning, there is a patwari or kamchari. This person keeps the land records. He has knowledge of measuring the land. So if some incident is reported that somebody has usurped somebody else's land, then in those cases these guys visit the spot and they measure the land according to the land document and the map of the village, and they come to the conclusion that who is at wrong, who is at right, and the problem becomes clear over there. And if the dispute arises, there are certain levels. In the upper levels there is revenue inspector, there is circle officer or naib tahsildar in various states, and upper level to these like CO, circle officer, is the DCLR, deputy commissioner land records, and in on upper level to that there is a district magistrate, who is the overall authority in land records. So this is the hierarchy in this land system, and all states in India are divided into various districts, and for managing matters related to land, these districts are further divided into subdivisions and tahsils and taluka. At the subdivision level there is SDM, and district collector is the boss in revenue matters. Now we come to this thing, like a farmer needs his own land records at certain times when they need, when they want to buy a plot, or they want to sell their produce, or they want some land, or they want to purchase fertilizer, or they want to divide his property among his children. So these are the situations where a farmer needs land record, and he can get these land records from that patwari or kramchari. You must be amazing that in the village you have seen that boys, girls, or men or women are working in the field. But before 2005, land right was only given to sons. So in 2005, Hindu Succession Act was amended, and daughters were given equal share in ancestral land. So if we talk broadly about the rural administration, there is police, the land record, like the revenue department, we have banks, we have post offices, we have cooperative societies, and we have milk samitis also. These are the different organs which we find in the rural areas. So this is all we have to study in this rural administration. We will come with another chapter, and please keep watching my videos, share and subscribe and like these videos to give me some sort of motivation. Thank you very much.